This is We Talk Football SA. I'm with my brother here, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Mfowethu uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje igama kuqala.
Ikhosi yawuthiyaka ne.
Khosi, yeah.
Nabo kobolobotsa something ne. Asani re kopa di favor.
Yeah.
We've got 8 years.
Yeah.
Re sa kope favor.
Yeah.
Batho ba tlile mona ba re botsa ba mentse, mamela ba mentse ba re favor ba mentse hona no ba khono hema ne.
Yeah.
Re dlala ka batho ba 10.
Yes.
Re kopa red card engwe hape hore ebe fair. Hore ebe fair mechomi. Martin Biatse hona no dikhono tse ba re oh my god re na re favor. Futseke. Re tshwere khale re etsa re itse ho etsa rena re tlhoke di favor. Are tlhoke di favor. And
so how are you going to research again?
Mechomi wa bona nke ke sa tlwaela ho wina league le tlo ba worried mare worry ke for batho ba sa itseng league. DStv fitlile aba itse Betway fitlile aba itse so why must I worry?
But tseba Castle Premiership
le bana ba rena ba itse Castle aba itse ba tlo re tshosetsa rena ask some sorry ko ba red card engwe hape hore ebe fair
ho ya pele le tlo bapala jwang Jaden Adams a sa leo
a tsaka ne re bitsa squad depth didn't Jaden o important mara asor arna di planets di that is what we important a tsaka ne mara coach o na le di resources that's why na kwa qala ya rena le problem le ena a tlo re botsa hore hey squad depth is not required na sa tlhalohanye hore schedule sa rena se me bjang no a tlhalohanye and no wa bona hore since a tlhalohanye re ntse re ya go pele a ratsoha we are cruising o itse malema
le sa tlo yinga league lena
we are cruising nicely are tsosa bona re shotile mara ba paletse go reja nahana nke re felletse
so
mara re tlwe
ka red card ring ne ile fair ka ba jwang
ke batla engwe hape gore e be fair because hona no ne re ba fiketsa o thiaka ne small boys re batla di red cards 2 before game thoma assembly before game thoma re kopa di red cards 2 tsama pagani anya na
no ke a leboga